Hi kids, are you ready for a fun experiment? Okay, well all you need are 6 clear or transparent cups, 6 napkins, 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and water. Step 1. Fill 3 of your cups with water. Step 2. Pour a different color in each cup of water. Step 3. Make a circle with the 6 cups, alternating with empty and full. Step 4. Roll up the napkins in long strips and place them going from one cup to the next. Now, as you can see, the colored water from the 3 cups, red, yellow, and blue, are going up the napkin and over to the empty cups, where 2 colors are mixing to form a new color. They are called secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. Take a close look at all the colors before removing the napkins. Now take out the napkins or ask an adult for help, and then look at all the colors you just made. I hope you enjoyed this experiment and keep having fun with science.